So we're out here today at a friend's private property, testing the DR-Z125L. L meaning large wheels. So I really like the look of the bike. It looks super modern, and the one thing that pops out to my eye is the red spring on the back. The performance of the bike, I really liked the suspension. It was super soft. The gearing was really easy to get used to, especially getting into neutral. The clutch was super light on it, which I felt was quite easy to use. And yeah, clicking through the gears, it was quite easy to click through them and just ride the bike nice and easy. Because the clutch is quite light, it's very user-friendly for a beginner. So the engine is very smooth throughout the whole range. I really like the power on it. It's not aggressive, it's not too boggy, it's just right in that middle, which is what I like. And especially for a beginner to hop on the bike, it's very easy to ride. So I got straight onto the bike and I felt right at home. It just, you just feel super comfy getting straight on it. It's really nice. It's a good feeling. It corners very well because of how soft the suspension is. So the front disc brake, for how powerful the engine is, it's actually quite a good front disc brake, and I think that works very well. Even though the back brakes are a hub brake, they still work quite well.
It's like butter. It is so smooth. It's the best feeling when you hop on a bike and the clutch is the clutch is soft. It's not soft where it doesn't engage, but it's soft where it engages, and it's just easy to use.
A beginner's going to have at least 30 minutes on it and going to have a lot of fun. It's a really good pit bike. I was going through some ruts out the back there, and it's really fun to go through the corners, through some trees, hop over some logs, do some jumps, and go through the ruts. It's a super fun bike to ride. So hopping from a bike that doesn't have a clutch to a bike that does have a clutch is going to be quite an easy transition. The beginner's going to hop on the bike and feel right at home, especially because of the suspension. It's really soft, and it feels like a lounge chair, and you're riding in and out throughout the corners.
Have some fun on it. Oh, here we go. Here's what we're talking about, fun. See? Super fun. Easy as bike to ride as well. Like, you're just cruising on it. The suspension is that soft to go down some things, up the hills, down some creeks.
The only thing that I would do to the bike would probably just be change the grips, and that's it, because it's a really user-friendly bike to get straight onto. It really would be amazing for a pit bike track because it's not too big, it's not too small, it's right in the middle, and it's just super fun to ride. The way that I would use this bike is if you had 4 acres, you could just set up some cones, make some ruts, or if you had a bit of bushland, you can go through the trees with it. Again, you can make some ruts. It's a really, really easy bike to ride and super user-friendly.